This is the Intellibeam unboxing and installation of the Hikvision CB110 conduit mount for the Hikvision DS-2CD2132 dome camera. First, let's open this up. Inside we have the drill template, anchors and screws, and the mount itself. So here's the mount, 3/4 inch conduit knockout, only a single, not a double like on the bullet mounts. But you can get a reducer, change that to a 1/2 inch. So let's go ahead, we'll mount the camera onto that real quick. This is the 2015 version of this dome camera that allows you to adjust the axis right here. I have the video for the unboxing and the comparison of the prior year model with that. So let's go ahead, mount that on here. Line the notch. Screw it in real quick. Put the dome back on. Line up the screw holes. And there you have it. That is the Hikvision CB110 mounted on a Hikvision DS-2CD2132 dome. By Intellibeam. Technology of tomorrow, today.